In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your App Store balance on your iPhone. This process is quick and straightforward, and it can be handy for keeping track of your App Store credit, especially if you frequently purchase apps, games, or subscriptions. We'll guide you through the steps that allow you to see exactly how much credit you have left without any guesswork. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to locate and open the App Store app on your iPhone. The App Store icon typically resides on your home screen and features a blue background with a white A made out of pencils. Give that icon a tap and you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Once you've opened the App Store, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile picture or avatar. This is a small circular image that usually displays either a photo you've set or your initials. Tap on this image to access your account details. After tapping your profile picture, a new screen will appear showing your Apple ID information. Right below your name and Apple ID, you'll find your App Store balance if you have credit available. This balance represents any credit that you've added to your account, either through gift cards, promotional offers, or previous refunds. It's a straightforward way to see what funds you have available to spend on apps, games, music, or subscriptions directly on your iPhone. However, if you notice there isn't a balance displayed under your Apple ID, it simply means there's no remaining credit at the moment. Don't worry, you're still able to make purchases, it just means that they'll be charged directly to the payment method linked to your Apple ID. This simple process ensures that you're always informed about your spending potential within the App Store. Knowing your balance is particularly useful before making a big purchase, getting that new app, or subscribing to services, providing you peace of mind that you won't accidentally dip into your payment card funds or worse, run out of credit altogether. Now that we've covered how to check your App Store balance, you're well equipped to manage your app purchases more efficiently. This little habit can help you strategize your spending, especially if you tend to use gift cards for your digital spending. We hope this instructional video was helpful and that you're now more comfortable navigating your iPhone's App Store interface. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks designed to make digital life easier and more enjoyable.